Are you looking for the best golf rangefinders? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best golf rangefinders on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Callaway 300 Pro Slope Laser Golf Rangefinder. The Callaway 300 Pro Slope Laser Golf Rangefinder is a precise tool for measuring slope and features maximum magnification, pin locking technology, and pulse confirmation. It is equipped with 6x magnification, range of 5 to 1,000 yards, and measures in both yards and meters. With pin acquisition technology, PAT, you can lock onto a pin up to 300 yards away, and the rangefinder emits a short vibrating burst when the laser locks onto the pin to confirm the correct distance. The external slope on-off switch makes it legal for tournament play, and it comes with a premium molded hard carry case with a carabiner and elastic quick close band. What we like: compact and lightweight design, accurate distance measurements, strong magnet for attachment, quick distance locking with vibration, affordable price point. What we don't like: difficult to hold steady at distance, readability issues in low light. Number 2. REDTIGER Golf Rangefinder. Introducing the REDTIGER Golf Rangefinder, a high-performance device designed for both golfing and hunting. With a maximum measuring range of 1,200 yards and plus or minus 0.5 yards accuracy, this rangefinder ensures precise and fast readings. The 7x magnification and transflective LCD display provide clear visuals, while the slope compensation feature guarantees accurate distance calculations. The device offers 6 measurement modes, including slope compensation mode, golf flag locking mode, and speed measurement mode, catering to various needs on the course. Its durable and portable design, complete with a magnetic stripe and complementary belt clip, allows for convenient attachment to clubs or carts. The REDTIGER Golf Rangefinder also supports Type-C charging, making it a reliable choice for golf training or playing. Enjoy a worry-free experience with the 2-year unconditional warranty and lifetime technical support provided by REDTIGER. What we like: accurate distance measurements, long-lasting battery life, clear, easy-to-read display, strong magnetic feature, excellent value for money. What we don't like: inconsistent accuracy on some readings, small manual print. Number 3. REVASRI Golf Rangefinder with Slope and Pin Lock Vibration. REVASRI Golf Rangefinder is a cost-effective device that enables external angle switch, golf slope compensation, flagpole lock, and vibration functions. The rangefinder has a 1,000 yards range, plus or minus 1 yard accuracy, 0.5s quick measurement, built-in Li-ion battery, and low battery indicator. With slope-on mode, users can get angle, sight-of-line distance, and golf compensation distance, while slope-off mode is suitable for tournaments. It is easy to use and lightweight, portable, and durable. What we like: accurate distance readings, lightweight and portable, rechargeable battery, slope and pin lock features. What we don't like: feels somewhat delicate, inconsistent flag locking. Number 4. Bushnell Tour V6 Shift Golf Rangefinder. The Bushnell Tour V6 is designed to enhance your golfing experience with its advanced features. Its slope switch technology provides accurate slope-adjusted distances, ensuring you have the right information for every shot. You'll appreciate the improved pin-seeking capability, which uses visual jolt technology to confirm when you've locked onto the flag, boosting your confidence on the course. The magnetic mount allows for easy attachment to your golf cart, giving you quick access to the device whenever you need it. Plus, it comes with a premium carrying case and accessories, making it a perfect gift for any golf enthusiast. What we like: outstanding accuracy, easy to use, fast, reliable readings, strong magnetic mount, quality construction. What we don't like: difficulty reading in low light, possible lens shadowing. Number 5. Bushnell Golf Tour V5 Patriot Pack. The Bushnell Golf Tour V5 Patriot Pack in black is equipped with bite magnetic cart mount which allows for easy attachment to the cart bar. The pin seeker with visual jolt technology confirms when the laser locks in with vibrating pulses and a flashing red ring. The device provides clear magnification, vivid color, and definition. It is the preferred laser rangefinder in professional golf used by 99.3% of PGA Tour pros. Additionally, the Bushnell Golf app provides vital information such as distances, hole layouts, and 3D flyovers. What we like: exceptional accuracy, ergonomic and compact design, durable and water-resistant, fast focus and target acquisition, support for military families. What we don't like: occasional detection issues, heavier than some alternatives.